What up, YouTube? We out here on our way to H-Town. Tell them what we're doing. We're gonna go pick up my little brother's truck. We about to, y'all gotta wait and see, but we're gonna be recording a vlog on the little trip we're taking. We're now at the gas station. I don't even know where we're at. We've already been driving an hour and 30 minutes from fucking Midland. Vamos a ver. Sí. Mira, vamos a ver esto. Estás grabando. ¿Qué? ¿Qué vamos a comprar aquí, guys? Vamos a comprar algo.
No comprar un café, a ver si no se me afloja el culo.
Well, guys, we already made it to Houston. We're like, what? Probably like 13 minutes away from the dealership. So, we might record, we might not. Shit, it depends if I get embarrassed or not. But, how you feeling, Alan? How you feeling, man?
Pretty good, bro. Pretty happy. Very nice.
Guys, we didn't really get a chance to vlog in Houston. Just spent some quality time with my brothers. There's the little 5-0. Let's see what this fool thinks about it. Been like much of like 2-3 hours in, back going home. How's it feel, man?
Feels pretty good, bro.
Feels good. Let's get a tour of your truck real quick. Damn, boy, this bitch lifted as fuck, boy. Did a reverse lift.
Yeah.
You reverse squatted this shit. What you thinking, man? What you thinking on the single cab, man?
Y aquellos andan peleados.
Huh?
Allá. Man, give me some Gucci, man. No, I can't, man.
Damn. Let's get the back angle. Damn, boy. Alright, boy. Let's go. Let's go home because we still got fucking 4 hours left. Guys, we'll pick this up tomorrow. Maybe tonight when we get home. I don't know. We gotta see what we're gonna do. What are your plans on this truck, boy? Let the people know.
3-inch lift with some 22s by 12s and power coat the suspension. That's pretty much it.
Así nomás. Nomás por ahorita. Alright, guys. Let's dip. Fuga por Midland. So, guys, no grabamos. No terminamos de grabar, pero aquí andamos cambiándole. Yo todavía tengo los King Ranch rims. Le vamos a poner los King Ranch rims. Tascamos los de la frente, pero de todos modos se ve muy empinado. So, what are you thinking about the rims? We need to wash them, no? So they can look clean.
Yeah.
They stand out.
Ahorita vamos y lo lavamos, ¿no?
Yeah. Yesterday we were in a rush, guys, so we didn't really record nothing in Houston. Pero looks a little bit better with the 20s instead of the 17s. We thought, this will lock the fucking truck. So, guys, we're gonna put these. We're gonna wash it. See how high legs with off for it.
It's not clean.
Guys.
One of these?
No quiero esta mierda salir.
Le metieron a huevo aquí, güey. Aquí pegada.
Oye, que aquí está bien.
No.
Ahí está la
It's
verga.
inside.
Aquí, güey.
The circle is right here. It has right here. Where it stops the tire. This shit, look how close that shit is. Come on, man.
¿Qué onda? ¿Ya no está huevo?
Qué huevo. soldaron a la verga ahorita que se soldaron. No está huevo. There's not even nothing wrong with these. No, es que la metieron más que huevo.
Hey, you better not spray me,
El
right?
marro de allá, el grande, y pegarle por abajo.
Acá esa pinche antón. Las escaleras.
¿Dónde?
Ya las
El árbol. Mira, qué mierda es eso. Lo de uno no lo cuida.
¿Qué?
Cuidado con el árbol.
Ese árbol ya le había machucado tú con la troca.
Sácalo con la mano. Tu árbol, compadre.
Come mierda. Lo de él no me le interesa.
¡Agua! Chicotados con él.
Sí, ni verga que se lo.
Ve, entiérralo allá, güey.
¿Dónde?
Allá, güey, tráete una palita y ponlo
¿Viste
allá.
una pala que? Ni
A
tierra.
ponerlo allá, güey, no luego. Antes de que le agarre.
¡Órale! Tú que agarra aire.
Pinche mierda, ¿para qué lo sacas?
Tú me dijiste, pendejo.
¿Yo? Dijo este baboso.
Y tráetelo de volada.
¿Viste una
Hazte
pala?
caso.
Pongo la llanta.
Y tráete un por mientras ponemos la llanta.
Agarra esto.
Salió jodido el hijo de la verga. Ah. Ahí mételo allí junto en el...
Que salga cerrando el árbol.
No, anda muy guango el hijo de la chingada. Te llevo tu árbol placoso. Toma. Toma, mételo ahí.
Mételo, pendejo.
De todo modo se va a secar, ¿no?
Ya sé que se va a secar.
No va que le hacen nada, ¿verdad? Pero...
Here, hold it.
Let's hold the stream, man.
Ya, suéltalo.
No, pinche arbolón. A la verga, compa.
So guys, we're gonna go wash the trucks. See how the rims look on it when they're clean. Cause they're dirty as fuck right now.
We're at the car wash. What you think, man? You like the 20s or no?
Yeah, they look better than the other ones.
Got this one all cleaned up as well. It look clean on the rims. Yeah. Yeah. See where she has the bell. Look better with the 20s with the chrome. It stands out a little bit. These are brand new. Newer than my fucking Forces for sure. Got less miles than the Forces as well. We just gotta get the engine settled in. because we got a 0 mile, so gotta put some miles on it. But yeah, tested what it got against my 5.0. If it could beat me, then we're gonna have to try it with this nigga CT5. We got any performance upgrades coming? Be real, nigga. That twin turbo. See, why you lying?
I'm gonna put them eventually, bro. No creo.
Yeah?
2 twin turbos.
This with the twin
Some big-ass
turbos.
turbos. Put them eventually.
Boy, you know.
Eventually, like in 2 years and shit.
Damn, boy. And this fool can't even drive it. He gotta get his driver's license first before he starts driving it. Huh?
Don't see me or what?
But you driving into school?
I'm driving everywhere.
Sheesh. We got 500 miles. What we made from Houston.